Peace, love and light of the highest frequencies to my beautiful Cosmic Soul family. I am the Cosmic Soul Plug, and today I'll be covering how to tap into more of the greatness that lies within you. Now, today is going to be a really short one because I don't want to be here too long today. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I'm going to begin jumping right into it, okay? I do have, even though it's a short one, it's a shorty, but so, um, um, if you've been tuning in to my channel, we've covered some really cool information regarding what numerology is, as well as soul contracts and karmic debt and lessons. And if you haven't seen those yet, feel free to go and check out my last few videos that I've already uploaded and shared with you, so that you remain plugged in, and hopefully the value that I've shared can be of great use to you. Okay. So today I present to you birthday number 2. If you are a birthday number 2, this means you have the characteristics that exude kindness, patience, sensitivity, and more than likely you're a very highly intuitive individual, and you probably do well being in a relationship more so than being alone. Okay. So you like company. You're probably one of those people who don't like to be alone. And that's not always a bad thing, okay? Because sometimes alone time, for instance, myself, I'm a person, um, I like company, but I also like me time, okay? So, you are more than likely an amazing team player, and you're considerate and supportive of other people and what's going on in their lives. Also, you're not the kind of individual who craves the spotlight, because you're more than okay with working from the background, okay? And if your birthday number 2, your lesson in this lifetime would be to learn more, to be more in control of your emotions, and to also learn to speak up for yourself more often, or all the time if you have to. Okay. So that's all again I have for you today, because I told you I was going to keep it short, and I meant that. I said what I said. And that's all I have for my beautiful Cosmic Soul family today. And once again, if you like and love the information that I've been sharing, don't be afraid to hit that like button, leave a positive comment, because those are always warranted. And a new sub wouldn't hurt either, because that's just transferal of love. That's a back and forth thing, and I accept it with open arms. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, I send you peace, love, and light of the highest frequencies. And always remember that as above, so below, as within, so without. Ashe. Later.